guys, what's up friends, what's up fams? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ysha Sim and I start investing this year only and may papakilala ulit ako sa inyong bagong broker which is Bucket Options. So if you're ready guys, come on, let's go. Now guys, you can see here is our Bucket Option website. Dito tayo sa website gagawa guys. So ngayon guys, ang may mataas na rate ngayon is 92%, which is sa Philippines is nagsisimula yung 92% na yan tuwing 7 p.m. onwards. Pagdating ng umaga guys, maliit na ang rates niya, nasa 80% na lang dito sa currencies at dito sa stocks kasi bumababa siya kasi ang time niya is sa US time. Dito is gabi, doon is umaga, kaya mas mataas ang rate sa gabi dito. At kapag nasa US ka naman, mas mataas ang rates sa umaga. So let's start. First of all guys, don't forget to put an indicator. So guys, I suggest you to put an alligator indicator and stochastics oscillator. Ito siya guys, makikita nyo dito siya guys, below 20% na. So pag makikita kayong ganito, it means we should put buy here. Pero pipili muna tayo ng ating sa currencies. Natin, lagyan natin ng star. Ito pa, star. And USD to ito. So, pwede nandito sa stocks, guys. Apple. Let's pick this AVG person. Yan, nandito siya guys lahat sa ano. So, now guys, let's wait for the trade. We'll put this on a 2 minutes or 3 minutes time lapse. Trading, as you can see guys, papataas yung trend. So let's see here in the signals. The EURCF. Itong pataas siya. So it's going down. Let's put a put option. So let's wait guys for after 2 minutes and let's see what will happen. So you can see guys, ito siya kanina, itong anong to, nag-overlap sila kaya tumaas yung trend. Kapag ganito naman guys, pababa yung trend niya. As you can see here, pababa siya. Also guys, you can put this indicator to help you. Itong Keltner channel, pwede na, lagay siya. Tapos, guys, yan na lang na. Keltner channel will help you also here in trading in Bucket Option. Let's go here. So guys, let's put first $50. Let's put up $50 for now. As you can see, papataas yung trend na guys. Let's wait for a perfect timing para mag-buy or sell. Let's look kung saan may magandang gagawin tayo ng trade. Masyadong dito tayo sa USD CAD. So ngayon naman pababa siya. So let's call. We invested $50. So now guys, we invested $50 on USD CAD OTC. So let's wait after 2 minutes if we'll gain a profit. So as you can see guys, we have this downtrends, and as you can see this indicates a downtrend at nandito din siya below 20%. Sa stochastic oscillator, we just have 44 seconds to go. If we win this, we'll gain $93.5. You can use the signals, but I prefer to use indicators than using the signals because sometimes the signals are not good enough for us to look at. So let's wait 19 seconds to go before we can gain a profit. I think because we bet on this position, which is 1.1688. Okay guys, let's wait. You can put this here as well. So now guys, we gain a profit of $93.5. So let's take a bet again for 2 minutes time frame. Let's wait for a good trend. I think it's going to upwards. Now the USD CAD OTC has 87% earning. It's a $50 investment. So let's wait for 2 minutes again guys to see if we'll gain a profit. Let's look here. In EURCHF OTC, the trend is going high. Let's see what's the highest. Oh, here. Let's see. It's going upwards right now. And you can see here on the Keltner channel that it's above already. So let's put a call option. I think this trend will go down because it reaches already this topmost and the blue line and the orange line collided already here at the stochastic. So let's wait also for 2 minutes here if we gain a profit. Let's go back to USD OTC, USD CAD OTC. And here you can see that we bet $50 and it goes here. Let's wait if we'll gain here a profit. Oops. We lost $50, but you look at this guys, it's just time should be we should gain here a profit. But let's double our bet so we can cope up with our loss. So let's wait for the trend and let's try for 3 minutes. Let's go here. Let's look for a nice trade. Look at here first on this trade where we trade in Europe to CHF OTC with a 92% profit if this bet of ours will gain. So it's already closed and we gain $95. So let's bet again and let's go up with the loss a while ago. We double our bet on $100 to get the loss a while ago. So now let's wait. Let's set this up for 2 minutes. And it's going upward. So I think it almost reaches here, and let's take it a sell option because it reaches here, the indicator counts. If it reaches here to the topmost and the line collided already at isa pa, lumampas siya dito sa ating counter channel. And this is our history. Let's wait for 2 minutes to see if we'll gain a profit here. You should, guys, I'm telling you, you should invest with your own risk para walang sisihan. At isa pa guys, you should need to know na dapat na ano ka dito, may analytical thinking ka dito. At dapat hindi mo pinapressure yung sarili mo in trading here in pocket option or kahit sa anong binary broker. Because kapag nag-pressure ka, because guys, friends, if you pressure yourself here in the trading, you can lose a lot of money. At ikaw lang din yung kawawa. So, invest at your own risk and do a research first before investing or trading. So, here guys, it's a win. We already get win and nakuha natin yung loss natin kanina kasi double it. Because guys, friends, if you pressure yourself here in the trading, you can lose a lot of money. At ikaw lang din yung kawawa. So, invest at your own risk and do a research first before investing or trading. So, here guys, it's a win. We already get win and nakuha natin yung loss natin kanina kasi double it. So, you guys. And I think last trade for this night in investing and trading, patience is a key for us to win. At dapat no pressure talaga guys. Kung malos ka man, i-times 2 mo yun. Pag nag-loss ka ulit, syempre times 3 para gawin mo yung na-loss mo kanina. But if you have the strategic and analytical skills thinking, you can win the trade here. And I think we should end this here because now we'll trend again to our next video and I will show you how to put an indicator and gain more profits here on pocket option. And also one thing guys, you can deposit here as low as of $10 at may bonus pa dito, which is 20%, 35% if you invest multiple to $20 and up ka. So you can get more profits when you deposit money here. And you can also withdraw this on your bank account in just 3 to 5 business days. You just need to wait for it to reflect to your bank account. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more video and updates on brokers that I will be using for the future trading of investment. That's all guys. Thank you again and